Good morning, good afternoon, good night to everyone who's watching, and welcome back to another video. So today I have few Matchbox cars that I bought from Cars and Dolls that I thought are worth opening, so I'm going to open those on the video. And before that, this is something that I received from Cars and Dolls too. So this is a 28 model car case, so it has these individual boxes like you see. It has a carrying case also on top. Looks pretty good. We'll open this. I bought it for a specific reason. Let's see if it works out. And we'll first open this, and then we will move on to the 5 car. So this is the packaging itself. So as you see, you can also detach these. You can use them for tracks, I guess. You can hang them on the wall. There are 28 bricks, multi-car case bricks. So you get these in two other models. You get it in 18 and a 8 model case also. So let's open this. We will see how individual cases are. So this is the handlebar itself. I'm not going to use it, so keep that aside. I'll show you one brick. I'm not going to show all the bricks. I'll just detach 4 of these and we'll take a look at these 4. The remaining are exactly same, so there's no point going through all 28. We'll go through these 4 ones and we'll see what are the features available in it. So let's look at one first. So this is the brick itself. As you see, it has that I think the track part. You can put them in the track set also. You get the similar one in the back too, and on top too. Okay, open some more. So I'm guessing this can be stacked up like this. Yep, can be stacked up too. So that is good. So I'm basically hoping this will look good as a background for some of the videos. Let's see how it works out. Now let's look at one of these. So it has this clear plastic in the front. It says Hot Wheels here. So it does open. Okay, that's quite hard to open. Okay, so it does open like this. You have a place to hang it on the wall, I guess, in case you want to. I don't think I will. And same thing here for the tracks. Here also. I think this is to stack it up. Pretty good looking case, I would say. Now let's talk about the build quality of these bricks. So these bricks are made out of very good quality plastic, and the front is also made out of plastic. So the front, I have observed in some of the bricks, they do not close flush, so some of them pop out here and there, basically like your geometry box that you had from school. And the quality, I would say, is good, but again, it's up to you to decide whether you want this as a display case or you want this for some other reason for which you're buying it. And the brick itself is not that big, so it's 3.5 inches wide, 1.5 inches tall, and 1.5 inch deep. So your bigger models will not fit in this. Now coming to the price, each one of these bricks will cost you about 70 rupees including shipping if you buy the 28 brick case, and for the remaining two, the 18 and 8, it will cost you higher. So make a choice wisely to see which one is more cost effective for you. Now let's move on with the video now. Now let's keep this aside. I bought out one more because we are anyways going to open 5 Matchbox cars. So we'll just open each one of these 5 Matchbox cars and see how it is. And we'll see if it actually fits inside this and see how it actually looks with cars in it. So let's start with this one, the 2018 Dodge Charger. Looks pretty good. Let's open it and we'll take a look at it. Okay, so here's the car itself. It's very well detailed. Has the front headlights, tail headlights done. It has the number plate also done in the rear. It has this very nice 5-spoke wheels, the classic Matchbox 5-spoke wheels, which actually looks very nice. Interiors look good. Looks very nice in this, nice and stock in this blue color. Very nice looking car, and I think it will get washed if I put that here. Now moving on to the next car, we'll do the Jag F-Type coupe here. So this is a 2015 Jag F-Type coupe, again blue. Looks very nice again. Let's open this. Front is very well detailed, has a nice headlight. The tail is detailed, says Jag here. The roof is plastic. It is not completely metal, it is plastic. And you have a 10-spoke wheel. Yeah, I guess 10-spoke wheel. It's little darker, has a metal flake blue color on it. The silencers are also detailed, says F-Type in the back. Very well detailed car. We'll keep that here. Now moving on to this car, the 1970 MGB coupe. Very well made. I don't know why it's going off-road, but looks good. The card art looks good. Now let's open this also. This is very beautiful. Very nicely done by Matchbox. Has a tail light, has the number plate also done on this, very nicely done. MG on the back, MGB, I guess it's not written correctly. The front headlights, they're not done, there's not tampo on it, whereas the grille is very well detailed. The red overall looks very beautiful. Very nicely made car. Keep that here. Moving on to the next one. So the 2019 Jeep Wrangler JL 2018. So this is a Jeep Rubicon, I'm guessing. Yep, it says right here. It's a Jeep Rubicon. Looks pretty well made. Let's open this. So this also is very nicely done. I guess one of the better castings. Very beautifully made. No headlight and no tail light tampo on this. I guess just because it says Rubicon in the side and Jeep in the side, they skipped the front and tail tampo because they had to put the tampo on both sides. But again, very well made car, very beautifully made casting. The top is also very well detailed. You have the bonnet, which is very well detailed. Very nicely made. It's very well detailed. The casting itself is very detailed. Unlike other brands, the casting has enough detailing just without adding any paint on it. Very beautiful. So moving on to the next one, the Jeep Wrangler roll bar number 18. So this is for the Jurassic Park edition. There's another Jeep Wrangler from Jurassic Park which was released before. I will show that. Before that, let's open this one and let's look at this. I don't remember where this came in Jurassic Park exactly, if it was a first movie or later on. Now this has a matte finish, matte grey finish on it. The front windshield looks, I think that is something, okay, it doesn't, okay, it can't sleep. I tried to make it sleep on the bonnet, it doesn't do it. The interiors are very well detailed. The roll bar is very nicely made. And Jurassic Park, again, no headlight and tail light tampo on this. It has a winch in the front very beautifully made. Now let me bring the Jeep from Jurassic Park, which was released before, in which you can't see the roll bar. This is the Jeep which was made before. I don't know when it came out, I'm not really sure, but I had it in the collection. It looks very nice. It actually looks very identical. If you see, if I keep them next to each other, you can see that it is very identical, just the color is different, and they have removed that plastic roof which was there on this, and they've added this roll bars here. The wheels are exactly same, just colored. The front windshield also, okay, that is little different. It has the spotlights on top. The new one does not have the spotlights, but they make a very nice pair. I guess if you have one, you should have the other one too. They're very well made. So now that's all the cars that I have for this video. Now let's just put these cars in this box and see how it actually looks. Let's put that here. Okay, the Jeep does not fit, so anything bigger will not fit on this. This fits. How did that not fit? Strange. Now the Jag, that fits too. And why did the Jeep not fit? These are actually quite hard to remove. I guess these white things do come off. No, they don't come off. Okay. Now this did not fit. I guess because of the windshield it doesn't fit. It's a little high. That's no worries. Okay. Now if we stack them up, how do they look? They don't look that bad. They actually look okay. I guess they can. What do you think? Does this make a good background in case I keep something else here? Would this make a nice background? Leave your comments down below. Now if you want to buy this case, you can still go ahead and buy it from Cars and Dolls. And if you want these Matchbox, again, if it is available, you can go ahead and buy it from Cars and Dolls. So that's all I have for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like and share this video. Do check out the channel. Do see if there is anything else that interests you other than just cars, or if there's any other video that interests you. Do watch them and leave your comments down so that I can improve on the videos, and also makes me happy that okay, people are actually watching the videos. And that's it. That's all I have for today. Have a great day ahead. Bye.